If you could ride on a current of clean, fresh air, enter a home and replace the stale, stuffy air up to 20 times per hour, eliminating odors, pollutants, pet dander, and more, all while saving you 50 to 90% off your AC costs, it's because of the advanced whole house fan by QuietCool. So sit back and relax, and don't touch that remote, because I'm going to tell you how to enjoy better health and comfort for just pennies an hour. Okay, so by now I'm sure you get the energy and money savings and the cooling aspect, but why is it called QuietCool? Our patented noise dampening technology makes our whole house fan as quiet as a typical AC unit. Maybe you've tried a whole house fan before, back in the old days, but hardly ever used it because it was so loud. A traditional whole house fan uses a lot of unnecessary energy. It also sounds like a helicopter is landing on the roof. It makes a lot more sense to get a QuietCool high-efficiency whole house fan. It's on right now.
I would say the noise level. I mean, you tell them about the jet plane we used to have in there before.
Yeah, we used to have a very old type of attic fan installed in there, and it was so loud you couldn't hear the TV, and the kids had problems sleeping, but we really didn't have any option. We needed it to get cooled off. So I would say the minute we installed the QuietCool fan, I was shocked at how quiet it was.
It's so quiet you don't even hear it. So we were used to the whole house fans, and I don't even know if, I guess they still make those, but they're very, very loud. And so we felt very, great that you don't even notice that it's on.
Oh, did I mention? It's made right here in good old US of A. In fact, QuietCool is a quintessential American success story. It was invented in a garage. Back in 1999, our inventor and founder was installing a traditional whole house fan when the customer said, "I wish someone would invent a quiet whole house fan." Well, at that point, our founder went back to his garage and tweaked and tinkered with his invention until it was just right for sale. In 2003, QuietCool was invented and came to market. The rest is history. Today, QuietCool fans are manufactured and assembled in our 50,000 square foot plant in beautiful Temecula, California. The entire QuietCool team is committed to building the quietest and most energy efficient whole house fans on the market today. We think you'll agree, just like our customers you've been watching in our testimonials, that we're achieving this goal while we continue pursuing the American dream of innovation in the modern green energy industry.
The QuietCool system is definitely the best home improvement technology that we've invested in our home. It's actually cost the least and it's saved us the most.
I would say that the QuietCool has been kind of the best improvement we've done so far. We were thinking about redoing a full house AC unit instead of what we were currently using, and the QuietCool got rid of the need to do that. So for us, it was a great improvement.
So, would you say you love your QuietCool?
Yes, I do love my QuietCool system.
I would say I love my QuietCool system, absolutely.
I certainly love my QuietCool system.
I absolutely love the QuietCool system. I wish I had had it years ago.
I love my QuietCool system.
I would say we love our QuietCool system.
No, we definitely made the right choice. He bought it.
They bought it.
He bought it.
She bought it.
They bought it. He bought it.
She bought it.
He bought it.
She bought it.
They bought it.
She bought it.
He bought it.
She bought it. They bought it. And now you can buy it.
Remember, if you want to save up to 50 to 90% off your electric bill, breathe safer, healthier air, and add one of the most important green energy products to the value of your home, log on to QuietCoolSystems.com. I'm Tim Herzog for QuietCool, and thank you for watching.
Sierra Pacific Solar Heating and Air, the guys in the big red trucks.